highlight today is about the calamity that happened to the state of California. It's a major winter storm. So could you imagine? Thousands of people evacuated from their homes, impacting the 40 million people of it's, I think it's only in the Southern California. Could you imagine how destructive was that kind? Because it gives, imagine a cyclone, then high wind, just like as high winds, then the torrential heavy rainfall of 11 inches. Then in some parts, because that's nearby the snow